Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If you connect to a remote computer using AnyDesk and are greeted with a completely black screen or waiting for image error, this is usually caused by hardware acceleration conflicts, inactive display drivers, or an intentional privacy setting. I have verified the latest troubleshooting steps, and I will show you exactly how to fix this right now. Let's get started. First, the most common fix is to change how AnyDesk processes its graphics rendering. On the computer you are actively using to connect, open your AnyDesk app, click the main menu icon in the top right corner and go to Settings. Select Display from the left-hand side menu. Scroll down to the Hardware Acceleration section, change the toggle to Disabled, and completely restart your AnyDesk app before attempting the connection again. Next, if you are connecting to a headless computer, meaning it has no physical monitor plugged into it, the operating system will often put the display drivers to sleep to save power, leaving AnyDesk with absolutely no visual data to capture. To fix this, you must either plug a physical monitor into that remote machine and ensure it is powered on, or use a small HDMI dummy plug to trick the graphics card into staying awake. Finally, check if AnyDesk's screen privacy feature was accidentally activated. This security feature is specifically designed to black out the host monitor to hide sensitive work from bystanders in an office. While connected or directly on the remote machine, go to Settings, navigate to Security, and check the Permissions profile. Ensure that Enable Privacy mode is completely turned off so the screen can broadcast normally. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.